BMW has finally brought in the 2025 5 Series, and this time, it's bolder, smarter, and fully loaded with tech. The design now feels like a baby 7 Series with sharp LED DRLs, a sleek kidney grille, and an aggressive front fascia. The proportions are spot on, long, wide, and low-slung, giving it a proper executive look. Inside, the cabin screams luxury. A massive curved display joins the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system, both powered by BMW's iDrive 8.5. The seats are sporty yet super plush, with leather and crystal finish details. Ambient lighting flows along the dashboard and doors, adding a futuristic vibe, especially at night. Powering this beast is a mix of petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid options, and for the first time, a fully electric i5 variant. The electric version offers instant torque and up to 516 horsepower in the M60 trim. 0 to 100 in under 4 seconds makes it quicker than most sports cars. Even in the regular petrol or diesel trims, the 5 Series is a driver's delight. Rear-wheel drive or X-Drive AWD options are available, and the adaptive suspension makes highway cruising unbelievably smooth. Safety tech is top class, with radar-based cruise control, lane assist, parking assistant pro, and even self-parking via smartphone. BMW is clearly targeting Mercedes A-Class and Audi A6 with this model, and honestly, it's leading the segment now in design and performance. If you are looking for a premium sedan in 2025, the new BMW 5 Series should be on top of your list. It's no longer just a luxury car, it's a tech-loaded performance machine wrapped in style.